Hello. Today we are going to be looking at this question. The curve with the equation y is equal to x minus 1 times x squared plus 4x plus k has a stationary point when x is equal to minus 3. Find the value of the constant k. So first of all, we are going to multiply out the brackets. So y is equal to x cubed plus 4x squared plus xk or plus kx minus x squared minus 4x minus k. So from here we are going to find the first derivative. And we need to find the first derivative in order to give us our gradient function. Because if I draw a curve, in this case the actual curve is a cubic graph, I'm just going to draw a quadratic one for now. And we take the stationary point, which is in yellow over here, and we draw a tangent to the stationary point. The gradient of the tangent is going to be 0. Okay, in order to find the first derivative, we need to follow a rule. And this rule states if y equals x to the power of a, then dy over dx, which is the first derivative, is equal to ax to the power of a minus 1. So dy over dx is equal to, we're going to use this to find the first derivative, by the way. So 3 times x to the power of 3 minus 1 plus 4 times 2 x to the power of 2 minus 1 plus 1 times k x to the power of 1 minus 1 minus 2 times x to the power of 2 minus 1 minus 4 times 1 x to the power of 1 minus 1 minus k times 0 x to the power of 0 minus 1. Because over here, when I say k, I actually mean k x to the power of 0. Because x to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So we're just going to simplify all of this. So that's going to give us the first derivative is equal to 3x squared plus 8x plus kx to the power of 0, and over here x to the power of 0 is equal to 1, minus 2x minus 4x to the power of 0, which again is 4 times 1, minus 0x to the power of minus 1. And over here, 0 times anything is equal to 0. So that's just going to give us 3x squared plus 6x plus k minus 4. Because remember, we need to do 8x minus 2x. So going back to the question, it states that there is a stationary point when x is equal to minus 3. So that means that when x is equal to minus 3, the first derivative or the gradient function must be equal to 0. So we're just going to take our first derivative, and wherever we see x, we're going to substitute minus 3, and we're going to equal the gradient function or the first derivative to 0. So that's going to give us 3 times minus 3 whole squared plus 6 times minus 3 plus k minus 4 is equal to 0. And simplifying that will give us 3 times 9 minus 18 plus k minus 4 is equal to 0, which gives us k plus 27 minus 22 is equal to 0, which gives us k plus 5 is equal to 0, which gives us k is equal to minus 5. And that is our answer. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it. Thank you very much.